I know curtain making can seem like quite an intimidating thing, but it's really not. I'm going to take you through 4 different projects on this course. The first thing you're going to do is add your side hems. Just going to fold the fabric around the lead weight. If you can use a clutch, you can use a sewing machine. We're going to go through the full process from measuring, making to hanging your curtains. One thing that I find quite magical about fitting a pair of curtains is being able to see that thing that you've created every day and know that those stitches that you've put in are going to last for decades to come, and anyone can do it. Learn the joy of making your own curtains with me, Gemma Moulton.